Ready? I swear I'm gonna slip and fall.
You might bust your tail.
Yeah.
You might bust your tail.
She's dirty today. You know what I forgot? I forgot the clip-on microphone for the other camera. I'm an instant lunch today, boys.
Oh my god.
I'm an instant lunch pack today. Alright, how do we do this? Twice.
I'm totally ready to go. Indeed.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we like a chili dog, baby.
Don't talk about chili dog. I'm hungry.
Alright. We'll get gas, and then we're getting Little Caesars. Woo!
Woo! I like how.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Now the car's gonna get all dirty again. Baby. Oh look, we'll go to this speedway, and then we'll hit Little Caesars, and then we'll. Your boy's got a plan. He's got some ramen. Damn.
That man's got like ramen.
That man got like ramen noodles. Oh yeah, what do you all think about the hat? I don't know.
Make me hungry for some ramen.
Sir, we're getting pizza.
Oh, damn.
We're gonna do have ramen at the house, and we're gonna do a little fun commercial. We're gonna do a commercial. That's really why I bought this.
Dazzle.
Dang, bro. Dang. So what are we?
We're just YouTubers, and I just wear the tiger mask for show. And I like this, so.
What the? Full disclosure, I do not know this man. He jumped in my car and said, we're YouTubers. And actually, he's not a man.
Tiger.
He's a tiger. Oh.
Don't. No.
What the? Here, cameraman. Camera tiger, I meant.
Camera tiger?
Oh, jeez, let's go get some Little Caesars.
Let's go get some pots of pie.
Jesus.
Yes, sir.
Pots of what?
Pizza pie.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Little Caesars, pizza.
Whoa.
Oh, baby, I love the way.
Every day.
Oh my God! What up, kitty?
Hi.
Do you have a pepperoni?
It's a go.
It's a go.
Operation Tiger's a go.
Operation.
Everybody's loving it, bro.
Yeah. Operation Tiger is always a go.
Don't eat too much, kitty.
Oh, I get hungry.
Operation Kitty's a go.
Kitty. What's up? Looking cute today. Beep beep. Take over.
We got Squiddy on the wheel.
Yo, bruh.
Yo, how's Squiddy feel?
Yo, look at him. He's
That man's whipping it, bro.
Alright. Let's see if he'll stay up there.
Yo, Squid. Yo, Squiddy. When are you gonna teach me how to drive, man? Holy
Bruh. He is just. Oh man, he's taking them corners. Hey, that's some skill right there. No looking.
No hands.
Yo.
No tentacles.
Girl, drop it to the floor.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry guys, camera died on us.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen.
We got the pizza. Tiny Tiger's hungry. But I got one more trick before we end this video for you today. So, it's snowed, right? There's snow on the ground. I'm in a car. What do you think I'm going to do? Well, you're about to find out in 3, 2, 1.